HPLC machine is made up of various components, each one needed for a specific task, resistant to high pressures and corrosion. Let's proceed step by step and see each part in detail. The mobile phase is a combination of polar and nonpolar liquids, characterized by a specific composition, molarity and pH. If the mobile phase fluctuates constantly, we talk about chromatography or isocratic elution. In cases of more difficult separations, needing more mobile phases, we talk about gradient elution. These phases are constantly mixed together in time in order to obtain a specific chemical composition when needed. It is also possible to achieve a flux gradient where the volume of one specific mobile phase varies with time. The mobile phase goes through the system aided by pumps, using systems of pistons and mixing which varies with the manufacturer. Working fluxes vary from 10 microliters per minute to 100 milliliters per minute. The injection system, which is in the Autosampler, allows the sample to be analyzed, to be injected into the HPLC. It is necessary to maintain a constant flux and pressure during the injection. This is possible thanks to a loop valve in the shape of a tube, temporarily storing the sample. Turning the valve, the sample goes through the chromatographic system, keeping the system in constant pressure. Modern autosamplers are able to do multiple and precise injections with different methods, rather than the loop. Choosing the type of column is a fundamental part of each analysis. The analytical column contains a resin called stationary phase. In most HPLC, a reverse phase column is used. This means that the stationary phase is hydrophobic and nonpolar, with a polar mobile phase, therefore composed of water or more or less polar solvents.